Hi students, this is Murali Krishnarao Daneti. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is what is geometric progression, what is a geometric progression, and how to write the general form of geometric progression, and how to write the general form of geometric progression, and how to calculate the nth term of the geometric progression, how to calculate the nth term of the geometric progression, and what is the sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, first one, geometric progression is nothing but GP. Geometric progression is nothing but GP. Yes, geometric progression means a sequence of non-zero numbers, a sequence of non-zero numbers is called geometric progression. A sequence of non-zero numbers is called geometric progression if the ratio of a particular term and just its preceding term, if the ratio of a particular term and just its preceding term is always a constant quantity. Listen, a sequence of non-zero numbers is called a geometric progression. A sequence of non-zero numbers is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of a particular term, and just preceding term, the ratio of a particular term and just preceding term is always a constant quantity, or a sequence of non-zero numbers in which every term in which every term except first term, a sequence of non-zero numbers in which every term except first term bears a constant ratio with its preceding term, then the sequence is called geometric progression. Or a sequence of non-zero numbers is called a, or is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of any two consecutive terms, is the same. If the ratio of a if the ratio of a any two consecutive terms is the same, then it is called geometric progression. Take one example: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64, and so on. Observe here: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. This is a non-zero sequence. A sequence with non-zero terms. Observe here the ratio of a particular term and just previous term. Or if the ratio of any two consecutive terms is the same, then it is called geometric progression. Observe here the ratio 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. Again, 8 by 4 is nothing but again 2. 16 by 8, is nothing but 2. And 32 by 16 is nothing but 2. And 64 by 32 is nothing but 2. The ratio of any two consecutive terms, is the same, then the sequence is called a geometric progression. Whereas if a1, a2, a3, and so on, an are in GP, are in geometric progression. Observe here, if the ratio of any two consecutive terms is the same, this ratio is called common ratio. It is denoted by R. Therefore, common ratio is denoted by R is equals to the ratio of any two consecutive terms is the same. That means A2 by A1 is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2, A3 by A2 as same as A4 by A3 is same as, and so on. An before term is its preceding term is An minus 1, so E is equals to An by An minus 1. Observe here, if the sequence of non-zero numbers, if the sequence of the non-zero numbers is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of any two consecutive terms is always same. This ratio is called common ratio and it is denoted by R. How to find the common ratio means T2 by T1 or A2 by A1 or A3 by A2 or A4 by A3 or An by An minus 1. Okay. Next, A is the next A is the first term. A is the first term and R is the common ratio. A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Then the general form. Or geometric progression can be written as A comma, second term is AR comma, AR square comma, AR cube comma, AR power 4 and so on. A is the first term. How to write the general form of the geometric progression means A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Then the general form of the geometric progression can be written as AR square, AR cube, AR power 4 and so on. Observe here AR by R, the common ratio, AR square by AR, common ratio, AR cube by AR square, it gets R, AR power 4 by AR cube, it gets R. So this is the general form of geometric progression. Next, how to calculate the general term or nth term of geometric progression. Nth term or general term of a geometric progression. How to calculate nth term or general term of geometric progression? We know that A is the first term and R is the common ratio. The general form of geometric progression, it can be written as AR square, AR cube, AR power 4 and so on. What is their nth term means? Observe here, this is the first term, is nothing but T1 or A1 is equals to AR. This is the second term, so A2 is equals to AR. This is the third term, is nothing but A3 is equals to AR square. This is the fourth term, so A4 is equals to AR cube. And this is the fifth term, that is AR power 4. Observe here, A can be written as A into 1. 1 is a multiplicative identity. A into 1 is nothing but A only. A into 1 into 1 into A into 1 is equals to 1 into A is equals to A only. So 1 is a multiplicative identity. 1 can be written as our convenience A into R power 0. We know that anything power 0 is equal, anything power 0 is equals to 1, where A naught equals to 0. We know that anything power 0 is equals to 1, and whereas A naught equals to 0. So 1 can be written as A into R power 0. 1 can be written as R power 0. R power 0 can be written as our convenience by the position of A, that is equals to A into R power 1 minus 1. A into R power 1 minus 1. And the second term, observe here, A2 is equals to AR. AR is nothing but AR power 1 only. So 1 can be written as AR power 1 can be written as the position of second term, that is AR power 2 minus 1. AR power 2 minus 1 is nothing but 2 minus 1 is what? AR power 1 only. So AR square can be written as the position of term, that is AR power 3 minus 1. A4, fourth term, AR power 3 can be written as AR power, the position of the term is fourth term, so 4 minus 1. A fifth term, that is AR power 4 can be written as AR power 5 minus 1. Observe here this pattern. A1 means AR power 1 minus 1. A2 means AR power 2 minus 1. A3 means AR power 3 minus 1. A4 means AR power 4 minus 1. A5 means AR power 5 minus 1, and so on. Observe this pattern. We generalize AN means, if A5 means 5 minus 1, AN means AR power N minus 1. AR power N minus 1. This is called the general term or nth term of given geometric progression. This is called what? General term or nth term of geometric progression. Let us discuss one example here. Yes, one example here. Let us discuss one example. What is the sixth term of given sequence, that is 4, 12, 36, and so on. What is the sixth term? What is the sixth term? We know that the sixth term, let us assume that the sixth term may be the nth term or general term of the given GP. This is GP, it is GP. What is the sixth term of given GP? That is 4, 12, 36, and so on. What is the sixth term? Sixth term may be the general term of the given GP. We know that the general term or nth term of the given GP is AN is equals to, here, first of all, here A is equals to first term is equals to first term is 4, and common ratio R is nothing but common ratio is equals to T2 by T1 or A2 by A1 is equals to T2 by T1 is nothing but 12 by 4 is equals to 3. We want sixth term. We know that general term or nth term or general term of GP is AN is equals to, the general term of GP is AN is equals to AR power N minus 1. We want sixth term. A6 is equals to, AN means AR power N minus 1. A6 means AR power 6 minus 1 is nothing but AR power 5. We want AR power 5. So A6 is equals to, here A value how much? 4 into R value, common ratio, R value is 3, we get 3. So 3 power 5, that is equals to 4 into 3 to the power 5 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So 4 into 243, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 1 7, and 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 72 is the sixth term, or leave here 4 into 3 power 5. What is the 99th term of the given GP means? We want A99. A99 is nothing but AR power 99 minus 1 is nothing but AR power 98. A value 4, R value 3 power 98. Limit. What is the nth term of the given GP? So AN is equals to AR power N minus 1. Substitute here A value 4, 4 into R value 3 power N minus 1. That is equals to, or leave here, or 4 by 3 into 3 power N. 4 by 3 into 3 to the power N is the next one. Next, let us discuss second example. Second example. If the third term of GP is 4, if the third term of GP is 4, then find the product of first 5 terms. If the third term of GP is 4, then find the product of first 5 terms. Observe here. If the third term of GP is 4, that means T3 is equals to 4. A3 or T3 is equals to 4. We know that AN, general term or nth term of GP is AN is equals to AR to the power n minus 1. T3 or A3 is equals to how much? AR power 3 minus 1 is nothing but AR square is equals to 4. This is equation number 1. And then find the product of first 5 terms. The first 5 terms are A comma, AR comma, AR square comma, AR cube comma, AR power 4 are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the first 5 terms. We want these product. That means A into AR square into AR cube into AR power 4. That is equals to A into A into A into A into A. That means A into A square, A cube, A power 4, A to the power 5 into R cube, R into R square, R cube into R cube, R to the power 6, R to the power 6 into R to the power 4 is nothing but R power 10. So that is equals to A power 5 into R square, R power 10 can be written as R square whole to the power 5. A power m whole power n is equals to A power m whole to the power n is equals to A to the power mn. So this can be written as A power m into B power m is equals to A power m into B power m is equals to AB whole to the power m. That means A R square whole to the power 5. We know that AR square value here, AR square value is 4. So substitute here 4, AR square value 4 whole to the power 5. 4 power 5 is nothing but 2 square whole power 5. That means 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. Next one. Okay, next point. The nth term of a finite GP, from the end, it consisting of m terms is nth term of a finite GP from the end, it consisting or it contains m terms, then it is AR power m minus n. Listen here. The nth term of finite GP, from the end, it contains m terms, then the formula is AR power m minus n. Let us discuss one example here. For example, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. It contains 20 terms. It contains 20 terms. Or it contains 20 terms. It contains 20 terms. What is the fifth term from the end? It contains 20 terms. What is the fifth term from the end of given GP? Here, observe here. A is equals to, that means first term is equals to 2, and common ratio R is equals to T2 by T1, nothing but 4 by 2 is equals to 2 is the common ratio, and we want nth term from a finite GP, from the end, it contains m terms is AR power m minus n. So here it has 20 terms, so m value 20. We want n value fifth term from the end of GB. So n value how much? 5, and m value is 20. So we know the formula nth term from nth term of a finite GP, nth term of a finite GP from the end it contains m terms is ar power m minus n. ar power m minus n is nothing but here a value 2 into r value, here common ratio r value 2 power m value 20 minus that is 5 is nothing but 2 into 2 power 20 minus 5 is equals to 15, that is equals to a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n, that is equals to 2 power 16 is the 2 power 16 is the fifth term from the end. 2 power 16 is the fifth term from the end of given GP. Okay, next one, next point, nth term from an end of nth term from an end of finite GP, nth term from an end of finite GP with last term L and common ratio R is given, then the formula is L by R power n minus 1 or L into 1 by R whole to the power n minus 1. Observe here, if nth term from an end of finite GP, if nth term from the end of finite GP, nth term from the end of finite GP with the last term L and common ratio R is given, then the formula is L by R power n minus 1. L means last term by R means common ratio, n means the number of which number we want, that is R power n minus 1 or L into 1 by R whole to the power n minus 1. Let us discuss one example here. If last term of the finite GP is 1024, last term of the finite GP is 1024 and the common ratio R is equals to 2, find the nth term from the end. Find the nth term. Nth term is nothing but anything, that is find the fifth term from the end. Fifth term from the end of given GP means we want fifth term, that means n is equals to 5. We want fifth term. Observe here one example. If last term L is equals to given, L is equals 1024 and common ratio R is equals to given, that is 2. Find the fifth term from the end of the GP. Find the fifth term from the end of the GP is nothing but, we know the formula, nth term from the an end of finite GP with the last term L and common ratio R is given, L by R power n minus 1. L by R power n minus 1. L is nothing but here 1024 by R value 2, n value 5 minus 1 is nothing but 1024 is nothing but 2 power 10 by here 2 power 4. 5 minus 1 how much? 4 is nothing but a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So 10 minus 4, that is we get 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 64. 64 is the fifth term from the end of a given GP. 64 is the fifth term from the end of a given GP. Next one, the sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. The sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. We know that a is the first term and R is the common ratio. The general form of geometric progression is general form is a comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube comma and so on ar power n minus 1. This is the general form of geometric progression. We want their sum. We want their sum, that is denoted by Sn. Sn is equals to sum means plus a plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar power n minus 1. This is equation number 1. Here this is equation number 1. Equation number 1 is multiplied by both sides by r. We get r Sn is equals to r times of Sn is equals to r into ar plus r into ar square, r into ar square, ar cube, r into ar cube, ar power 4 plus and so on plus r into r power n minus 1, r into ar power n minus 1, r into ar power n minus 1, we get this is 1, ar power n minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, ar power n, that is ar power n. This is equation number 2, right? Equation 2 minus 1, we get Rsn is equals to ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus ar power 4 plus and so on, ar power n, its preceding term is nothing but ar power n minus 1 plus ar power n. Equation 1 is, this is equation 1, Sn is equals to a plus ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus and so on plus ar power n minus 1. If you subtract 2 minus 1, that is, signs will be changed, that is Rsn minus Sn is equals to, observe here, plus ar minus r get cancelled, plus ar square minus ar square get cancelled, plus ar cube minus ar cube get cancelled, plus ar power 4 and minus ar power get cancelled, plus ar power n minus 1 and minus ar power n minus 1 get cancelled. Remaining terms are here minus a there plus ar power n. Take Sn as common, we want Sn, take Sn as common. Remaining here r, that is minus 1, r minus 1 is equals to, take a as common, a into r power n is nothing but minus 1. So a into r power n, ar power n, a into minus 1 is nothing but minus a. We want Sn is equals to a into r power n minus 1. If you transpose r minus 1 from LHS to RHS, it will becomes division quantity. So a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. If a is greater than 0 and r is also greater than 0, that is increasing Gp, then Sn is equals to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. If r is less than 1, is nothing but if it is decreasing Gp, therefore Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. Is r is less than 1 means r is lie between 0 and 1, that is decreasing Gp, then Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. If the Gp is constant Gp, that is, if Sn is equals to, if r is equals to 1, then Sn is equals to n into a. Observe here, the sum of first n terms of a geometric progression. Therefore, if it is increasing Gp, that means a is greater than 0 and r is greater than 1. It is increasing Gp, then Sn is equals to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. If r value is lie between 0 and 1, is nothing but r is less than 1. r is less than 1, the sum of first n terms of geometric progression, that means the progression may be decreasing progression. So Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. If the r value is 1, is nothing but the given gp is constant gp, then Sn is equals to n into a. This can be written as, we know that L is equals to, Sn also can be written as, we know that L is equals to, L is nothing but last term, L is equals to ar power n minus 1. L is equals to ar power n minus 1. This can be written as here, if r is greater than 1, this can be written as Sn is equals to a into r power n, ar power n. Take r as come ar power n minus a into r power n, ar power n minus a into minus 1 minus a by r minus 1. ar power n can be written as ar power n minus 1 into r minus a by r minus 1. ar power n minus 1 is nothing but l, so it can be written as lr minus a by r minus 1. lr minus a by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So Sn, a into r power n minus r minus 1, if r is greater than 1, can be written as Sn is equals to lr minus a by lr minus a by r minus 1. If r is less than 1, it can be written as Sn is equals to a minus lr by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. If r is greater than 1, Sn is equals to lr minus a by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. If r is less than 1, Sn is equals to a minus lr by 1 minus r. Let us discuss some examples here. Observe the example. Find the sum of 8 terms. Find the sum of 8 terms and n terms. Find the sum of 8 terms and n terms of the sequence 9, minus 3, 1, comma, minus 1 by 3 and so on. So the given sequence, observe here, T2 by T1. T2 by are nothing but A2 by A1 is nothing but minus 3 by 9, that is equals to minus 1 by 3. And A3 by A2 also 1 by minus 3 nothing but minus 1 by 3. This is also minus 1 by 3 by 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 3. Clearly it is in GP. We want the sum of 8 terms. First of all, the sum of 8 terms. We know that here r is less than 1. So r value minus 1 by 3. So r is less than 1. We know that sum of n terms of geometric progression Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula. Sum of first n terms in a geometric progression Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Substitute here a value is 9. First term is 9 and a common ratio r is equals to minus 1 by 3. Substitute S8, sum of first 8 terms, S8. Here a value how much? A value 9 into 1 minus r value minus 1 by 3 whole to the power n by 1 minus 1 by 3. That is equals to 9 into 1 minus, this is n value, how much? 8 only. So this can be written as 1 minus 1 power 8 is nothing but plus 1. So 1 by 3 power 8 by 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. That is equals to S8 is equals to 9 into, if you do LCM, 3 power 8 minus 1 by 3 power 8 by 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 how much? 4 by 3. That is equals to, if you the transpose here, if you multiply here, this is 3 nines 27 by 4. 27 by 4 into 3 power 8 means 6561. 3 power 8 means 6561 minus 1 by 3 power 8. 3 power 8. 3 nines are 27. 27 by 4. 3 power 8 means 6561 minus 1 by 3 power 8. That is equals to 27 is nothing but 3. 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 cube into 6561 minus 1. 6560 by 4 into 3 power 8. 4 into 3 power 8. This can be written as, that is 4 ones are 4, remainder 2, 4 6 are 24, again remainder 1, 4 4 are 16, 0. So S8 is equals to 3 cube a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. 3 cube and 3 cube get cancelled, remaining 3 to the power 5. So S8 is equals to 1640 by 1640 by 3 power 5 is nothing but 1640 by 3 power 5 means 243. This is the answer. S8, sum of 8 terms, sum of first 8 terms of given GP. Also we have sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms is a formula. Sn is equals to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. We want Sn. Sn is equals to, here a value how much? Substitute here 9 into 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power n by 1 minus of minus 1 by 3 is nothing but 9 into 1 minus of minus n whole power n power 3 power n by, that means a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. So 1 plus 1 by 3 is nothing but 4 by 3. 4 by 3. That is equals to 4 3 9 3s are 27 by 4. 27 by 4 into, if you do LCM, 3 power n minus 1 whole to the power n by 3 power n. 27 can be written as 3 power 3 into 3 power n minus of minus 1 whole power n by 4 into 3 power n. A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So this can be written as 3 power n into 3 power n minus of minus 1 whole power n by 4 into, this can be written as 3 power n minus 3 power n minus 3. So find the sum of 8 terms and n terms of the given sequences. Sum of first 8 terms is nothing but 1640 and 1640 by 243, and sum of first n terms is Sn is equals to 3 power n minus of minus whole to the power n by 4 into 3 power n minus 3. Next one, sum of an infinite GP. Sum of an infinite GP. Here a is the first term, a be the first term, and r be the common ratio of given GP. A be the first term and r be the common ratio of given GP, such that a be the first term, and r be the common ratio of GP, then such that mod r is less than 1, then sum to an infinite GP. Sum to an infinite GP is denoted by Sn. S infinity is given by a by 1 minus r. This is the formula, a by 1 minus r. Sum of an infinite GP, a be the first term, A be the first term, and R is the common ratio of given GP. R is the common ratio. Then, and such that mod R is less than 1, mod R is less than 1, then sum to an infinite GP, sum to an infinite GP, sum to an infinite GP is denoted by S infinity, is given by S infinity is equals to A by 1 minus R. Proof here, proof, we know that sum of n terms where R is less than 1 is A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. If you multiply by A, Sn is equals to A into 1, A minus A into R power n, AR power n by 1 minus R. Observe here, R is less than 1. R is less than 1. If n is tends to infinity, that means n is closer to infinity, then R power n value tends to 0 as n is tends to infinity. If you increase the n value 1, 2, 3, that means n value, increase the n value, R power n value is closer to 0. So S infinity is equals to A by, this can be also written as A by 1 minus R minus A R power n by 1 minus R. Substitute here A by 1 minus R minus A into R power n value 0 by 1 minus R. This term total becomes 0. That is equals to, we get A by 1 minus R. Therefore, S infinite is equals to A by 1 minus R. Sum of A be the first term and R be the common ratio. Then mod R, such that mod R is less than 1, then sum to an infinite GP is denoted by S infinity is given that S infinity is equals to A by 1 minus R. Let us discuss one example here. Observe here, the sum of the series 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus and so on infinite. Clearly it is infinite GP. We want S infinity. Clearly it is in geometric progression. So here first term A is equals to 1, and a common ratio R is equals to T2 by T1 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 only. We want the sum of two infinite terms, that is S infinite. We know that S infinite is equals to A by 1 minus R. S infinite is equals to A by 1 minus R. You have A value, how much? 1 by 1 minus R value here 1 by 2. If you do LCM, 1 by 2 ones are 2 minus 1 by 2. That is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 is how much? Again 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 only. Okay. Next, please subscribe this channel. Let us discuss more videos within short period. Until then, bye bye.